In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill up your invite bar on Monopoly Go. So let's start. First, you have to open your Monopoly Go and head to the Invite Friends section at the bottom right of your screen. You will see the Add Friends section where you need to invite 10 friends to receive rewards, which vary depending on the current season. Currently, you'll get 150 dices and a token for Monopoly Go. Now, to quickly fill up your invite bar, utilize the invite buttons available. If your Facebook account is connected, simply click on Invite and send invitations to your friends. However, if they don't accept the invite, it can be frustrating. Alternatively, use the invite button only to choose any application to invite friends from different platforms like Instagram, Messenger, or even Discord. For even more options, head to the Add Friends section where you can invite people who aren't your Facebook friends. Scroll to the bottom, click Add, and send the invite. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.